Hey, it's Patrick from J&P Cycles, and this is our pro tip on how to change your seat nut. Now, right off the bat, you think that should be pretty simple, but when you get to looking at it, it can actually be a little bit difficult. Now, these replacement seat nuts are pretty simple. You got this piece here, it goes up under the fender, then our plastic piece will clip over the top. But now that's where the difficulty comes in, especially if you have a lowered bike or a bike with a full fender like this. You can't get your hand up in there and you can't reach it from the bottom. So common sense might start to tell you, oh my God, I have to take my rear wheel off to change my seat nut. And the reasons for changing your seat nut would be, it could just be getting worn out, it could have been stripped out, or if you're changing seats. Say if you're going from a two-up seat to a solo seat, something like that, you have to move that nut to be able to attach your seat. You don't have to take your rear wheel off to change your seat nut. This is a pretty slick little trick. You get a zip tie, pretty good sized zip tie, about a foot long or so. You're gonna feed the zip tie in from the bottom of the new seat nut, like this right here. Now we don't have to reach all the way up in there. We'll let the zip tie do our work for us. Just gonna slide the zip tie up under the fender. You may have to fish around for a second, but it generally pops out pretty quickly. And then all you have to do is line up. There's a little tab and a slot in the fender. There we are, we're lined up. And then now we're just gonna take the plastic washer, snap it on like that. And it's just that easy. You have a brand new seat nut right there, ready to go. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop us a comment. Go work on those motorcycles.